Hi everyone, welcome to PC Error Detective. In this video, I'll show you how to fix Spotify not working on Windows 11. If your app isn't opening, freezing, or not playing music, don't worry, we'll walk through several quick and effective fixes. Step 1. Click on the Start menu and type Optional Features. Click on the top result after it opens, then click on the View Features at the top right. In the search box, type Media Feature Pack. If it shows up, select it and install. This helps Spotify run properly on Windows. Step 2. Now open the Spotify app and click on 3 dots, then Edit, then Performance. Scroll down to the Cache section and click the Clear Cache button. This deletes temporary data that may be causing Spotify to crash or glitch. Now find Enable Hardware Acceleration and turn it off. Disabling this setting can help fix playback or freezing issues caused by your system's graphics settings. Step 3. Now let's check your firewall settings. Open the Start menu, type Windows Defender Firewall, and open it. Click Allow an app through Windows Defender, then change settings, and make sure Spotify is listed and both private and public are checked. If it's missing, click Allow another app, browse for the Spotify app file, and add it manually. Step 4. Go back to your Start menu and open Settings, then go into Apps, and then Installed Apps. Search for Spotify, click the 3 dots next to it, then click Advanced Options. Scroll down and choose Repair. If that doesn't work, click Reset. These options are only available if you installed Spotify from the Microsoft Store. Step 5. If none of the above worked, go back to Installed Apps, find Spotify, and uninstall it. Now reinstall it, but this time use a different method than before. If you used the website last time, now open the Microsoft Store, search for Spotify, and install it from there. Or if you used the Microsoft Store before, go to the official Spotify site and click Download directly from Spotify. Once downloaded, double-click the setup file and install it fresh. And that's it. By following these steps, you should be able to fix Spotify not working on Windows 11. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to PC Error Detective.